Welcome to Define Yourself. This is a creative game designed to help participants connect, discover new things about each other, and have fun. Let's dive in and learn how to play. Step 1. Start by giving each participant a small piece of adhesive tape and a pen or marker. Each person writes one characteristic that defines them, a personality trait, a hobby, or even something they love. Step 2. Once everyone has written their word, it's time for introductions. Each participant says their name and shares the characteristic they wrote. If time allows, they can explain why they chose that word. Step 3. Now, make it fun. Use the chosen words instead of names during group activities. For example, instead of saying, "Now it's Peter's turn," you might say, "Now it's the fisherman's turn." This keeps the game engaging and helps everyone remember the unique traits of each person. Here are some tips for facilitators. If you want to focus the activity, you can restrict the types of words participants choose. For example, ask them to use only hobbies, emotions, or things that make them smile. Remind participants to listen carefully and use the chosen words when addressing others. After the game, take a moment to reflect. Here are some questions to consider. What did you learn about yourself by choosing your characteristic word? How did using characteristics instead of names affect group dynamics? Did this activity make it easier to connect with others? Why or why not? Define Yourself is a great way to break the ice and build stronger connections in a group. Now that you know how to play, it's time to give it a try. Have fun discovering new sides of yourself and others.